Rhubarb was the main one.
Some dandelion wine?
Dandelion, he made rhubarb in a Coca-Cola can. And that had the nicest taste to it. It didn't taste like Coca-Cola, it didn't taste like rhubarb.
I bet that was good.
Yeah, it was.
I never knew you could make wine out of rhubarb and dandelion. I never heard that before.
Yeah.
That's how you make homemade wine?
Yeah, you just fill in alcohol.
Just have Tim take these shoes and stockings off
Yeah.
and put the stuff in
No.
it.
No, please, seriously, I want to know how you make it.
Yeah, I'm telling you. And put the rhubarb, cut it up and put it in a big old tub. And that work Tim's feet good, and then they get in there and branch up and down and stand there.
Oh yeah, really? Just like
No.
just like
You don't really
putting your feet on grapes or something, huh? To make wine, huh?
That's just work.
That'd be funny, huh?
Just over.
Crush the rhubarb? Crush
Did
the
you ever
rhubarb?
see that movie?
Is it?
Did you ever see the movie where
Yes?
Phyllis Diller was making the wine? That was the funniest thing. Her and who was her boyfriend?
I think maybe I have seen that.
George. That was the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. She was holding her skirts up, dancing in the wine barrel.
Huh. That would be funny.
Do they